quick demonstration on what to do at home. Like if you start to feel the mucus build up in your chest, one of my tips was hot water or hot tea, just to kind of keep mucus down. But ever so often throughout the day, try to do something that we call CPT therapy, which is chest physiotherapy. What it does is it helps drains the lungs and mobilize things. So it's really easy. You can do this at home. I would do this on my kids a couple times a day if I was you guys, even if they're well, just to kind of make sure that no mucus is building up. So this is what you do. Okay. So we literally have beds that do this, but you can do, and we both are COVID negative, so I can touch her for now. This is what you can do. Just take your hands and just pat up and down their back.
Actually feels pretty good.
She said it feels good. All right, again, that is pretty much called chest physiotherapy. Basically, it breaks up mucus in your lungs, it mobilizes and drains the lungs. So along with you drinking tea is what I prefer, tea or hot water, drinking something warm just to keep the mucus down, do the chest physiotherapy. For those of you guys who did not see it, we're gonna do it one more time. And you basically take your child or take whoever, have somebody do it on you, and just break up that mucus. All right, and that's basically what we're doing on all our COVID-19 patients. That is part of the biggest problem, is having that mucus on the chest and that, trying to mobilize and get all of that out along with suctioning. But you can do this at home as well if you start to feel the mucus break up, okay? Say bye to Nurse Meg.